Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 4 of STPHCHP. I would like to explain about the applied statistic by the lecturer Mr. Karta Atmaja SPD MPD. I would like to introduce group 4 with myself Sugianto as opening and speaker 3 who will explain about the homogeneity test and hypothesis test. So, and then Agam as part 2 speaker which will explain the normality and validity, reliability test and closing.
About validation test. Copy the data in Excel to the SPSS application. Next, change the name in the variable. See you next item 1 to item 10. And finally change the name to the correct number. Click analyze, click correlate, click prevariate, click move all to the right, then OK. Valid data is 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 valid because it is greater than the R table of 60 respondents, namely 0 found 254. Click Analyze, click Scale, click Reliability Analyze, click Move the valid number to the right and right column. Then we will be able to immediately find the result, which is 0 found 427 according to Imam Ghazali. If the coefficient value obtained is greater than 0 found 60, then the instrument has high reliability. Excel data, there are two data, namely data X and Y, then total data X and Y are copied, then transferred to SPSS. Then rename X and Y to decimal 0. Click then regression, then click linear, then move X to independent column and Y to dependent and save, then understand disease, then continue, then analyze, then non-parametric test, then legacy dialog, then one sample NS, then click understand disease, then OK. Then the result of the normality test is 0 found 0 and 71 and normally distribute.
Okay, I will describe the homogen test. And I already have data for homogeneity test, where we will move the two data, variable X and Y, to the result encoder. For the variable X and Y, we arrange down like this. Data A and data B are arranged downward. After all the data has been arranged down, we move the result data encoder to the SPSS application. Then we just go to variable to view to change the name of the variable, decimal and label. Then the value in the second part we change to value 1, and the label we change to X, then select add. Then we add value to and label to Y, and the click add, then back to data view. Then select analyze on the top bar, then select compare means, then select one way ANOVA. Then move variable X to factor and variable Y to dependent. Then select option and select homogeneity of variance test, then click continue. Then it will display a significant ANOVA result. The result of the significant homogeneity test is 0.262, which means the data is significant. Well, herein we'll explain the hypothesis test, where I already have two data from two variables, and I have also added up all the existing data. Then first I will move both data result to the SPSS application. Before we test it, we go to the data variable first to change the variable name and decimal to 0. Then after we change the variable name, we go back to the data view. Then use select analyze in the top bar, then select regression, then select linear. Then we move the variable X to independent and variable Y to dependent, and then click OK. Then a display like this way will appear, which means that the ANOVA data is data from the t-test and the confusion or V data, when the result of the t-test and V data are 0.015, then the data is significant.
As is conclusion, validation test, there are 7 numbers. Is greater than 0.5, and the data is valid. Reliability test, there is 0.0400 and to 27. The normality has high intrusion, 0.427. Normality test 0.071. Normally distribute. Homogen test 0.262, which means the data significant. Hypothesis test
0.050. The data is significant. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.